Okay, so today my friend threw my iPod at a chair and now it's all messed up and the light on the camera on the back is broken, so you're gonna have to see it from the top. Like, look, it's like, see that thing like right there? The little, like, black little bubble thing, I don't know. And then like you can see like it still works and everything. But and like you can see like it plays games and stuff and the sound works. See? It's still, you can like still work it and you can see it on like the left hand side. Okay, it's hard. See like that? See, guys? So I mean, if there's like someone out there who knows what's wrong, because I can't find any videos on YouTube about that, tell me how to fix it. Thanks.